How to find Deutsche Bank debit card number. Deutsche Bank is a major German multinational investment bank offering services in investment banking, corporate banking, asset management, and retail banking across 70-plus countries. Download the Deutsche Bank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Log in your account with email and password. You can get your number here. Then check your physical debit card. The 16-digit debit card number is printed on the front of the card. Call Deutsche Bank's customer support at this number. Verify your identity with passport or driving license to confirm you're the account holder. Look at your bank statements. That's it. Thanks for watching.